Hey guys, I'm Shahad. Welcome back to my channel. I have missed you guys so much. So for today's video, gonna be a recreation of James Charles singing my makeup routine. So I'm just gonna do minimalist of makeup, just like a normal makeup I would do while singing that. Now, unlike James Charles, I don't have a piano or friends, but I do have, you guys, and I have actually wrote down the lyrics and the songs that I want to, and I'm gonna go step by step and just do this makeup with you. So are you ready? Because I am. So let's get started. First, before getting started, I just want to say that I do not own any of the songs, or if I get sued, you have to see me in jail. I don't know. First song I'm gonna sing while doing my makeup is Seven Rings. Starting with face, I'm using the Hourglass foundation. Don't forget to apply primer for better preparation. Start blending and blending in for better computation. I don't wanna see any discoloration. Okay, now that we're done with foundation, I'm gonna go in with concealer. And for our concealer song, I'm gonna sing my favorite, Shallow by Lady Gaga and Bradley Cooper from the movie A Star Is Born, which if you have not watched this movie, what are you doing? Go watch it right now. I'm applying concealer for these under eye bags to be gone. I'm trying to cover the darkness that's been here after not sleeping for 4 years. I'll try my best for my eyes to look brighter from always crying. I'm blending it out well so it'll be perfect. I don't want no creases now. Sit it with powder before it dries down. Before it dries down completely. Now the brow song is Sam Smith and Normani, Dancing with a Stranger. Look what I'm gonna do, brushing my brows too, which is fully you. Ooh, baby, baby, I'm using my benefits. Now I'll fill them in too. Ooh, baby, baby, using the Anastasia gel too. Ooh, baby, baby, to hold them together too. Now for the bronzing song. Why do I announce it like, now for the bronzing song? Oh God. Halsey without me. I'm gonna kill that thing. Now it's time to bronze up this face. Looking so pale, so go grab that bronzer and warm up your face. Look like you just got a tan, but tone it a bit down so you don't look like a potato head without it. Potato head without it. Oh, this is so cringy. Tell me how's it feel sitting up there, feeling so high but too far away to hold me. You know I'm the one who'll put you up there. Name in the sky, does it ever get lonely? Thinking you can live without me. Thinking you can live without me. You know I'm the one. Oh my God. For this next song, well, it's not a song, it's a rap, but I don't rap. Newsflash. But if you feel uncomfortable, if you are triggered by me rapping, talking, get out of here. Save yourself. Get out.
Get out.
It's not by Nicki Minaj, but this remix is by Nicki Minaj. Bust It Down, Barbiana. Oh my god, I'm getting so cringy. I'm so sorry. Okay. Hey yo, I'm using blush now, Blushiana. Using the color pop, prime and rock blush, Blushiana. With a brush, Brushiana. Rosy up the cheek so you look so cute, Cheekiana. I wanna look cute like Ariana. Oh no, wait, I wanna be like Rihanna. Maybe Nickiana. Okay, I don't have a song for lashes, but maybe it'll come out anyway, so I'm just gonna. You know I like to curl my lashes up to the sky with the Benefit mascara. Ooh, you know I like to curl my lashes with some mascara. Okay, I'm sorry I don't have a song for lashes, but I'm using the Certified lashes, and this is in the shade. This is in the style Irresistible, because I am irresistible. No line looking at you with the fix. Highlight on my lips like the Fenty Beauty kid. Okay, so now what's left is lips. And for lips, I have the best song and lyrics as well. For lips, we are going for the song of the year, of course. Thank you, next. Thought I'd go for my lipstick, but it wasn't a catch. Even though I love Anastasia, but I'm not aiming for that. Line my lips with the Essence liner in the shade Colder. Thought about something so glossy, but nothing compares to Fenty. Fenty gloss. I'm so freaking thankful for my gloss. Fenty gloss. Fenty gloss. For someone now. For having better disguise. I know they say I move on too fast, but this one's so last. Her name is Riri, and I'm good with that. Yay, she handles coverage. She handles shades. That's so amazing, cause y'all can't compare. Okay, you guys, and that is it for today's challenge video thingy. I had so much fun. I hope it wasn't cringy and you stayed long in this video. I had so much fun. I just want to say again that this video is not my idea. I actually recreated it regarding to James Charles' video. He did a video on that. Go watch it and just tell him that I did a video similar to him. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. I still don't know my schedules very well, but yeah, that is it. That is the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.